Hello, my name is Aurora. I'm English coach of the After School program of Sports Academy Nippon. The word I like is resilience. The meaning of resilience is generally considered to be positive adjustment after a stressful or adverse situation. Psychological resilience can be defined as the ability to face, resist, and reorganize one's life after suffering particularly negative and traumatic events. I am from Europe, from Romania. I lived in Italy for 12 years until I came to Japan. I am graduate as a veterinary. And about hobbies, my hobbies are nail art, travel, hiking, and volleyball. As a hobby, the thing I like to do is to improve my nail art level so I can do my own business. I wish to visit many beautiful places in Japan. I wish to visit many beautiful places around the world and see Aurora Borealis. I am on Facebook, I am on Instagram, so if you like, please follow me. I will do my best. よろしくお願いします。